Hello and welcome. Today I'll answer whether you can play Paper.io 2 with friends and give you tricks to try to land in the same match. The short answer is you can't reliably invite friends or create private matches in Paper.io 2. The game doesn't have a dedicated play with friends or room invite function. Still, there's a workaround. You and your friend can join at the same time, hoping the matchmaking engine places you in the same server. Many players recommend doing a synchronized countdown and hitting play together. Another thing, in Teams mode, which is part of Paper.io 2's multiplayer offerings, you can team up in a shared game environment. But that's not the same as private invite. You're placed into the same team mode lobby, not a custom room. So bottom line, no official friend invites or private rooms are supported. But you can try coordinating start times or using the Teams mode to play alongside friends. And that would be all for today's video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.